Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create PayPal account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, visit the official website of PayPal. Once you're there, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. Next, choose the type of account you want to create. For this tutorial, select personal account and then click get started. Now, enter your email address and click continue. After that, enter your mobile phone number. PayPal will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code to verify your number. Once your phone number has been verified, create a strong password for your account and continue. On the next page, enter your personal information, including your first name, last name, date of birth, and any other required details. Then it will ask you to enter your address. Go ahead and do that. After filling in all the information, then view the terms and conditions. Then click Agree and Continue. Your PayPal account will now be created. At this point, you can choose to link a debit or credit card or link your bank account if you want to start sending or receiving payments. If you prefer to do this later, simply skip the step. After that, PayPal will take you directly to your dashboard where you can start using your account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create PayPal account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.